Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Tigereye triangle hoop brass earrings. So we're going to start by attaching the kite pendant to the triangle. So I'm going to use 20 gauge stainless steel wire. I'm going to string it through my bead, and then I'm going to push the wire up on each side of the pendant, so that it makes a little X at the top. And then one side I've left just a tad bit longer. I'm going to take that side and I'm going to get to the top of the point and I'm going to bend that one up. So it's like that. And then I'm going to take this wire and coil it around. It's a little messy. It's a little bit difficult working with this stainless wire, but it's worth it because it's non-tarnish and I like the way that it holds up. So I'm going to fix that coil. I'm going to clip off the excess wire. Then I'm going to come to the top where I've done my coil and I'm going to bend that wire away from me. So I've got a 90-degree angle. I'm going to put my pliers at the top of the angle and wrap it around to make a little loop. At this point, I'm going to attach the triangle to my loop, and then I'm going to hold it in the loop and coil it around. And then I'm going to clip off my excess wire. Next, to attach my triangles, I'm going to need a jump ring, which I didn't put out, but I'm going to grab. A couple of those. So these are split jump rings, so that means they've got a little cut in them. So you're just going to find where that is. You're going to hold your pair of pliers on either side and just gently twist it open. I'm going to attach my triangles. And then I'm going to take the pliers and twist it back into place. Then I'm going to take another jump ring and open it up. And I'm going to attach this triangle to the smaller hoop. I'm going to take my pliers and close it back together. And then I'm going to take my ear wire. I'm going to open that up. I'm going to put on the big hoop. And then I'm going to put on this little hoop. And I'm going to put this back in place. And there you have it, a pair of earrings. Super simple. Thanks so much. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.